Good morning. I'm Wayne Roland from TRG. I represent Ginegar USA. This is Ginegar Marine Film. What we're doing here today is that we're going to show you how easy it is to wrap a boat. This is a special wrap that we're using that will actually compete against the more expensive Trans-Shield product that a lot of you are using to transport your boats to your dealers. This, on the other hand, is a super strong 3 mil film. Let me get that straight for you. 3 mil film in a tube. In reality, it's 2 sheets going on top of this boat with 1 installation. And this 3 mil film is so strong, we're going to heat it up and it's going to weld itself together, and that film will actually be stronger than what you're buying with your Trans-Shield right now. Now you can buy it in multiple widths. We just happen to have a 20-foot 3 mil tube here for demonstration purposes, but you can get it anywhere from 10 to 26 foot wide, depending upon the boats that you want to cover. And if you've got a kayak or something like that, we can even make it down in the 6 and 8 foot widths. But anyways, this is tube, 3 mil, extremely strong, and we're going to wrap this up. You put the webbing in it like you would do with your Trans-Shield, and we pull the plastic over the top. He's going to hook it up down. We're going to shrink it. We're going to show you how fast it is, and we'll talk to you on the end and tell you what kind of money you're going to be able to save out of this. So watch Frank. Beautiful day here in Saratoga. Nice fall day to do this, and we'll get back to you in a couple of minutes. Now you can see here Frank is he's doing a quick welding around the belly strap, and you can see how fast this goes. This film does not take an awful lot of heat to put it in perspective as to where you want it to be, and it welds very, very quickly, and that welding really creates a huge strong bond. Now just doing the corners back here. You notice again, because it doesn't take an awful lot of gas and a lot of heat to weld this, he's got the flame down and he's moving at a very rapid pace. And again, this film is so strong. It's the ultimate protection for your boats. Unless you're going to encase them in steel, this is the best thing you can do.
this way. Look at this thing. Oh wow.
This just shows you how strong this film is. Frank just walked up and down the boat. Now he's standing up there in the open bay, and you can see this plastic is unbelievably strong. 3 mil tube. It's going to cost you about a fourth of what you're paying for Transhield. Took him 15 minutes to completely wrap this boat. 15 minutes, one guy, a quarter of the cost, 3 mil tube, stronger, tougher. You can't beat it for your boat coverage. Call me, Wayne Roland, Ginegar Marine Films, 518-250-3405. Get your deal now. Thanks an awful lot for viewing this demonstration.